want to seize this opportunity to wish our spiritual father, our prophet, our coverage, a glorious
happy birthday,
Daddy. We love you. I and my wife want to say we love you. We thank God for bringing you to our path. The first day we cross your path, our life has become glorious from one level of glory to another level of glory. You have been shining as a star. You've been shining as a light under your grace, under your coverage. We want to say we love you. We thank you, Daddy. We want to use this medium to pray for you, even as you traverse part round of the world for the gospel. We want to say that the hand of God will be greater and mightier upon your life. Amen. According to his word in Psalm 84 verse 11, the Bible said the Lord God is a sun and a shield, who will give grace and glory. No good thing will he withhold from them that walketh upright. As you walk with the Lord, he will give you all you need and all your desire. Amen. You will live long to eat the fruit of your labor. Amen. We want to say happy birthday, Daddy. We love you.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.